So on today's episode of new and improved ways of screwing stuff up, we need to put that back on that. Yeah, here we go. Alright, I got them flipped over now, and I'm going to go ahead and spend some time and clean these edges up, get the old weld out, get that down to base metal, and yeah, get ready to nuke her back in. So, a little bit of cleanup work to do. So, here we go. A little bit of a sidetrack. Found a couple cracks, went ahead and scarfed them out, cleaned them up. I'm going to go ahead and weld those up first before I put these back in. So, yeah. A little welder ASMR. Ready? Wow, that's really hard to point out. Alright, now that we're done with that sidetrack, we're going to continue to clean this stuff up. Tripod. Alright, got all that cleaned up. A little bit of a booger right there. Got all that cleaned up. Now let's go ahead and clean the bucket up and get ready to slap it in. Boy, there is no wonder why this stupid thing failed. I mean, who puts rebar on the bottom of a bucket? Come on. Anyway, welds are all crap. Rebar. Thin as can be. Yeah. No wonder. Anyway, let's clean it up. Alright. Have her set in place, and I'm going to go ahead and start burning in. I did have to run it forward, so I'm going to have to put a filler in here. I won't use rebar though, or round bar like they did. And yeah, had to do a little tweakage. So, but she's all good. Let's melt her in. Yay! All right, bottom side done. I'll come back and I'll replace some of these wear ribs. But as of right now, I'm going to flip it down and I'm going to weld the top side. And yeah, don't judge my welds. They're not pretty, but they have a great personality. Anyway. Alright, got her all seamed up, done up, all repaired in. I was going to take a video before I flipped it, but see if I can get it to drop on me. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and call this done for now. I was going to continue do this on the video too, but I have a feeling I'm going to get bumped off of this Monday, and it's Friday, and I'm going to go ahead and post this video. And so for now, we're going to say, done!